Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to simplify the fraction 35/75 to its lowest terms. Let's look at the fraction 35/75. To simplify it, we'll divide both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor. The greatest common factor, or GCF, is the largest number that can evenly divide both the numerator and the denominator of a fraction without leaving a remainder. For 35 and 75, that's 5. We start by dividing 35 by 5, which gives us 7. Then we divide 75 by 5, which results in 15. So, simplifying 35/75, we end up with 7/15, which is the fraction in its simplest form. It's interesting to note that both the original fraction 35/75 and the simplified fraction 7/15, though different in appearance, represent a similar value when compared as decimals. The exact decimal for 7/15 is approximately 0.4667. This shows that although their appearance may change, their value remains consistent. So, there you have it. The fraction 35/75 simplified to its simplest form is 7/15, and in decimal form, it's about 0.4667. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.